So it is with sad heart to announce the passing away of Don Mlangeni Nawa. He passed away this morning at the age of 65. I remember him so well acting on Istingo as Brazeb or Mr. Matabani. Recently, he acted on Shaka Ilembe and also Savage Beauty. He's been on our screens entertaining us for a very long time. I can't remember from when, but there are other series that he used to act on SABC1. So his family has released a statement saying, "It is with deep heartbreak that we share the passing of our beloved father, Don Mlangeni Nawa, on 16 April 2025. He was the heart of our family, a loving father, brother, and friend. To the world, he was a gifted and respected actor whose presence lit up every stage and screen he graced. His legacy lives on in the lives he touched, the stories he told, and the love he gave so freely. We are deeply moved by the outpouring of love and support. We kindly ask for privacy as we grieve the immense loss. Details regarding the memorial and funeral arrangement will be shared in due course. With love and gratitude, the Nawa family." I'm not so sure if he was sick or anything because nothing was shared concerning his health. I don't know if people were aware if he was in hospital or it was just a sudden death. I don't know. This is said our elders are going and also the young ones are also going. I'm not so sure what will become our acting industry, where it's going, because if like veteran actors are going like this, then it's something that we should get worried about. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on this one. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed and see you in my next video.